Hello children, welcome to the video session of Standard 4 Computer Science Chapter 3. In this video session we are going to discuss about Introduction to MS Office Picture Manager. Come, let's enter into the video session.
Introduction to MS Office Picture Manager. MS Office Picture Manager is a basic image editing software program included with the MS Office suite. It allows the user to manage and edit the images with the help of tools available. Pictures can also be shared easily using Picture Manager. Invoking MS Office Picture Manager. To get into MS Office Picture Manager, start All Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Office Tools, Microsoft Office Picture Manager. The above action opens MS Office Picture Manager application as shown here. Components of MS Office Picture Manager. Top bar. The top bar appears at the top of MS Office Picture Manager window with the three sizing buttons on the right: minimize, maximize, close. Next one is menu bar. The menu bar is found below the top bar and consists of the following menus: File, Edit, View, Picture, Tools, Help. Toolbar. The toolbar appears below the menu bar. MS Office Picture Manager consists of two toolbars: Standard, Formatting. The standard toolbar consists of the following tool buttons: Save, Print, Mail Recipient, Cut, Copy, Paste, Delete, Undo, Redo, Zoom and Help. The formatting toolbar consists of the buttons given below: Rotate left 90 degree, rotate right 90 degree, edit pictures, autocorrect. Next one is 3-column layout. Below the toolbars, the remaining window is divided into 3 columns. Picture shortcuts. The column towards left is named as Picture Shortcuts. It displays all the folders containing images. Middle column. The middle column displays all the images of the folder selected in the Picture Shortcuts column. Next one is Task Pan. The right column is called as Task Pan. This pan displays all the editing options. Status bar. The status bar is displayed at the bottom of the window. It displays the size of the image selected and its name towards the left, previous and next buttons in the center, and zoom bar towards its right. Add picture shortcut. This method is used when the location of the picture is known to the user. The user has to specify the link to the folder. To add picture shortcut, click on File, Add Picture Shortcut, or click on Add Picture Shortcut button from the Picture Shortcuts pan. Add Picture Shortcut dialog box will appear. Enter the folder name which contain pictures in the folder name text box and click on Add. The folder will get added in the Picture Shortcuts pan. The images of the folder will be displayed in the middle column. Now double click on the desired picture from the middle column to edit. Locate picture. This method is used when the location of the picture on the computer is not known to the user. MS Office Picture Manager helps the user to find folders with pictures and automatically creates picture shortcuts. To locate pictures, click on File, Locate Picture. The Locate Pictures pan will appear on the right side of the window. Select the location from the drop-down list box of Lookin option and click on OK. Looking for pictures dialog box will appear. It searches for the pictures in the location selected. Now the image folders that are found will get added to My Picture Shortcuts pane on the left side. Saving the picture. After completing the editing process, the next step is to save the image. The image can be saved by using Save option using Save As option. Save. This option will replace the existing image file with the edited image file. In other words, this option will override the original file. To save, click on File, Save. Save As. This option is used when the image is to be saved with a different name or location. This will preserve the original image file. Click on File, Save As. The Save As dialog box will appear. Choose the location and then enter the file name in the File Name text box and click on Save. The currently edited file will get saved. Viewing the images. The images can be viewed in 3 different ways: thumbnail view, film strip view, single picture view. First one is thumbnail view. This view displays the thumbnail of all the images of the selected folder for quick and easy identification. The file name is also displayed below the image. To get the thumbnail view, click on View Thumbnails. The keyboard shortcut for thumbnails view is Ctrl+T. Film strip view. This view displays the selected image at the center of the screen in a large size, and the rest of the images of the selected folder are displayed horizontally at the bottom of the middle column. To get the film strip view, click on View Film Strip. The keyboard shortcut for film strip view is Ctrl+B. Single picture view. As the name suggests, using this view, only one image can be viewed at a time. Arrow keys can be used to switch to previous or next image. To get the single picture view, click on View Single Picture View. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+G. Quitting or exiting Picture Manager. The user can exit Picture Manager by using any one of the following methods: clicking on File, Exit, clicking the Close button present at the top right corner of the window, clicking on MS Picture Manager button present at the top left corner of the top bar. A menu will appear. Select Close by double-clicking on MS Office Picture Manager button.